Three words: to the moon. I'm talking crypto. Everything has been going insane at the right time. At the right time that these prices zoom up and we go. If you are joining this episode for the first time, this is Generational Investors Podcast. And today we are specifically talking about crypto. We're talking about the big three: Bitcoin, Ethereum. If you stay tuned to the end, we're going to share XRP. For all my XRP lovers, put XRP in the chat. So the first thing we wanted to talk about is Bitcoin. This week has caught some people off guard, but for investors like you and I, we just continue to dollar cost average. We continue to add more coins to our bag, to our portfolio. Set it and forget it. And so I'm gonna share with you what's been going on with Bitcoin. Because when I say this thing got so much upside to go, we just getting started. We are just getting started. So hit the thumbs up if you know, like I know, crypto is on the move. So the latest in Bitcoin, Federal Reserve meeting. They just had this past week considered how aggressively they would be willing to cut interest rates. So anytime that the Federal Reserve is talking about cutting interest rates, that is going to go well for Bitcoin, because we know that crypto in general is a risky asset. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is financial education. And so you have to do your due diligence on crypto, because crypto is very risky. You can lose a lot of money. Don't invest more than you can afford. That's the rule of thumb for crypto as well as stocks. So with them cutting the interest rates, as being a risky asset as crypto is, people tend to put their money into these risky assets from just the news being that there could be an interest rate being cut. Everybody knows what's been going on with inflation. Everybody knows what's been going on with tariffs. All that plays a role on the Bitcoin price. So hopefully we'll get an interest rate cut pretty soon, and that's going to continue to push Bitcoin to the next level. Next point: rally in tech stocks led by the one, the only NVIDIA. That's right, the king of AI. So NVIDIA broke another record this past week. That also was a catalyst for Bitcoin. But wait, there's more. One big, beautiful bill. That beautiful bill that got passed last week, to be exact, about a week ago, which is expected to increase the federal deficit. And we know how much debt we are in. So that's also going to be a catalyst with Bitcoin. Then a big wave of short liquidations, and a lot of money is starting to flow into Bitcoin and other risky assets, aka crypto. So all that is a catalyst for Bitcoin to go where? To the moon. That's right. It's going. It's finna go. And moving to number 2, Ethereum. I know a lot of y'all who's been, not you guys, but people in general, been talking bad about Ethereum. But if you know, like I know, I'm just buying and holding. That's right. Buying and holding, and continue to hold Ethereum because it's also remains number 2 behind Bitcoin. That's why I want Ethereum to go where? To the moon, because it's going to go, but it's going to take some time and some patience. So Ethereum showcased explosive bullish momentum with institutional demand accelerating through spot ETFs. Wow, shattering critical resistance levels. So Ethereum, it's been consolidating. It's been stagnant just for a little bit, but now we're starting to see it wake up and do what it needs to do. And that's go where? Yeah, to the next level. And I believe Ethereum has some upside that's going to take it to the next level. We already just passed the 3K mark, and still got room to go. I believe we still have room to go, Ethereum. And if you have stayed to this point, put XRP in the chat for those who hold XRP, like me. That's right. XRP. The news with this one, the whales position ahead of July 14 ETF ruling. And as we get close, we are still waiting for the ETF to get approved. And I believe the likely of this is increasing. More institutions are throwing money into this thing. Whales, for those who don't know what whales is, these are the people who have like buckets and buckets of capital, aka so much cash, millions and billions of dollars. So they're buying because they know that the ETF, once it get approved, we are on to the races. We are definitely on to the races. And I believe XRP is just getting started. XRP is just getting started. A lot of people, not like you guys, but people that I've read different type of articles, XRP ain't finna do this. Okay. If it dip, we buy. If it goes up, we buy. Okay. The name of the game is buy low, sell high. That's right. Buy low, sell high. So if you hold XRP, put it in the chat so I know who I'm talking to. And also, Trump's Truth social files with the SEC. They are launching a crypto blue chip ETF. And what does it have in there? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Crow. So with the big three plus Solana, definitely these prices are on the move. And just want to encourage all my generational investors. Buy and hold, definitely buy and hold, but also be strategic with crypto. It's very different from stocks. Like I said earlier, it's a risky asset. So do not put more than you can afford. So that means your bill money, your rent money, your car insurance, your grocery money. Do not put that into crypto. Put what you can afford. So if you only can afford 10, 20, 50, $100, $250, $500, maybe $1,000, just put that in there. Play with house money. Be strategic with crypto. And when you see the price that you like, sell it. Don't worry about what everybody else is doing. Do your own strategy. Do your own research. Be strategic. This is more chess than checkers. And that's how I'm playing crypto as well as stocks. Always have a plan when you are investing. Definitely always have a plan, because if not, you're going to get stuck with the bag and you're going to lose a lot of money. So if you have enjoyed this podcast, smash the thumbs up, hit the like and subscribe. The one, the only Coach Flo. Appreciate you. See you in the next one. Peace.